What's going on, guys? For today's video we got episode 3 of Grail Time, and Grail Time is a series of mine where I will be unboxing a bunch of grails that I have been getting. And again, just because it's a grail to me doesn't mean it's a grail to you, so please keep that in mind. It doesn't necessarily mean all these items are worth a lot of money. They're just items I've been wanting to acquire for a very long time. So enough talking, let's just get right into this unboxing. So the packaging on this one looks pretty A1, to be honest, just thrown up in here because I was a little bit nervous on the bowl on the other one. But luckily we just got a clothing item this time around, and this just comes right off, no extra tape or anything. So let's see what we got in here. Now I don't know the correct name of this item. I do know that it's from SS16, I want to say. Here we got the Supreme USA tee, not tee actually, long sleeve crew neck type thing. I did get this in an extra large because it is kind of old, so the sizing is a little bit different. Fits kind of like a large to me. Kind of have that Guess jeans inspired looking logo on right here, fully embroidered. It came in like 3 or 4 colorways. I originally first seen this item when Jacob did an unboxing, and I was like, I need to have that. But these rarely ever pop up, especially in an XL. They are very hard to come across. I do like the purple color, which I think Boone has the purple colorway. That one would have been sick to have, but I don't think I've ever seen that in an XL. And because I needed the XL, I wanted to get the black one because this is probably the easiest one to find in XL if you were to try to find them. But I think all around this piece is very hard to come across in general. But yeah, still looks to be in pretty good conditions for being about 4 years old. Well, I guess if this is SS20, this is about exactly 4 years old. So looks to be in great condition. Got the Supreme tag here, got the extra large. I did already get this legit checked through the Facebook group. Huge shout out to them for making sure that this was a legit piece before I bought it. I do love this piece a lot. I'm gonna wear this a ton. This has probably jumped its way up to one of my, I'd say, top 3 of my personal Supreme items that I own. I'm gonna get a lot of use out of this, and yeah, probably gonna have this one for a very long time. So here is another super quick video for the Grail Time series, because like I said, it's just unboxing one item, so there's not really too much I can say about them. I think maybe if they were shoes, it'd be a little bit easier to talk about, but just being a t-shirt, why do I keep calling it a t-shirt? Just being a little crew neck, not really too much to say about it. Supreme Guest style logo, again, I don't know the correct name for it, in the black and white colorway, size XL. Huge shout out to whoever I bought that from, which I don't know who you are, but huge shout out to you, because I have been looking for this piece for, I want to say, probably 1.5 to 2 years I've been looking for this, and I honestly think this is probably one of 3 that I've ever seen pop up in an XL. The other 2 were kind of high in price, but I got this for a very good price. I mean, I guess I'll just be completely transparent with you guys. I got this for 125, I believe, shipped. He said it was used, and he said it was like a 7 out of 10 condition. Honestly, it looks pretty good to me. It might be a little short, it may have shrank, something like that, but condition looks good, logo looks fine, so in my book it looks great. So that is going to be this episode of the Grail Time series. If you want to check out all my other Grail Time episodes, even though there are only 2 other ones, you can check the playlist, which is I think down below or maybe to the side. If you want to check that out, you can see all the Grail Times that I've done and any future Grail Times if this is your first one here. And if this is your first video of mine you're seeing, if you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button, hit that bell so you can be alerted anytime I upload a new video. Drop a like, drop a comment. I'll catch you guys in the next video, and thank you so much for watching. I'm out.